Mariah. Say she's torturing me, Daddy. He doesn't want to laugh. He wants to growl. Why does he always stop when the freaking camera comes on? He was laughing earlier. He's all like, I'm not giving this stuff away for free. Meanie sister. You're meanie sister. Oh no, sister, no. Don't be mad. You better?